Have you ever heard about heaven? One day we will definitely die. Do you want to go to heaven? Are you sure you can go to heaven? I know everyone who wants to go to heaven, includes me. If God ask, what is the reason I allow you to enter heaven? What is your answer? Maybe your answer that we have to obey our parents, be diligent, be smart kids, or be a kids who are not naughty. But the question is, how far we have to do the good things? There is the best news that we need to know. It turns out that heaven is a free gift from God. We don't have to pay to get to heaven. Okay. Heaven is not obtained because we have done good things. Okay. Such as diligently praying, diligently worshiping, obeying God, and so on. Heaven is not because like we won first place in a running race, so we got a trophy. Heaven is not obtained because we deserve it. Like you won first place in a running race, so we got a trophy and certificate. But not everyone can go to heaven. Why? Do you know? Yes, it's because of sin. Thank you.